actually is something that I miss about this place. Just us. I mean, I really like my new friends. But it's not the same.
I don't think it ever will be.